Hi mga ka-freelancers! So for today's video, dun naman tayo sa mga freelancing misconceptions. Dahil kahawig ko ngayon si Gabby Conceptions, so dun tayo sa freelancing myths or misconceptions. So come work and play with me, Sir Tommy. Number one, nawawala daw ang social life or for introverts lang itong trabaho na ito. Parang ganon eh. Siguro masasabi kong hindi rin, mas dumadami nga ang nami-meet mo eh. Kasi you have time flexibility. Pwede mong dalhin yung work doon. Honestly, mas ma-active nga yung social life ko lately. Wow, may social life. So, time flexibility is the key. Next, ito daw ay not a real profession. I must say, ano to, hobby lang? Hindi. So it's actually one of the most noble professions. Like what you have, of course. Before pandemic, it was viewed as a gig for short-term work only. Um, Partially, it can be, not until it's the only thing that most of us had in the midst of coronavirus. Aminin mo yan, puro work from home tayo. So, um, it was highly appreciated after it, even after pandemic or prior to that. Mataas na ang respect ko sa lahat ng mga nag-freelancer. Why? Ang hirap kaya, believe me. um, I always try to show it as an easy job, but it's not, which is feeling mo man mataas ang iyong katungkulan or mas angat ang iyong position or whatever negative views we have, forget about it. Okay, all professions matter, and we make significant changes, not just here but globally. Kasi Filipinos are known to be hardworking and dedicated ones. So let's just stick to that. Let's uplift one another. Now, easy work nga ba? Number four, gaya ng nabanggit ko kanina. Well, like mathematicians, we solve problems too. Like teachers, we have to organize and be experts in our crafts, every project. And like doctors, we keep on researching to find answers to our questions. And like soldiers, yan, we have to be warriors as well at night and work, um, you know, late nights to fight for a great life. So it's not an easy job. Easy to apply. Number five. Hmm, hindi masyado. Try it. Hindi madaling mag-apply. Kasi pag feeling mong ang taas na ng position mo dyan sa company na yan, tapos bigla kang mag-freelancer, hindi same position agad. May pwede kang mag-start sa simula kasi iba ang atmosphere, iba ang ambience, iba ang culture sa freelancing. So take it easy, but slowly try to learn it, di ba? It's not just as easy as that. Ayan na naman tayo. And then, yan na. Naku na ako. And then lastly, anyone can be a freelancer. Hmm, depende sa'yo. Okay? Pero mas madami akong kilala na hindi tumagal because of maybe lack of proper guidance as well as big ego. In the sense na, alam mo naman, may kanya-kanya tayong perspective and we respect that. So, but in general, I must say, freelancers, I give you my utmost respect because you make sure to support your clients to the best way possible. And I heard it from one client. He said Filipinos are actually the best virtual assistants because of their grit. Yeah, we are very dedicated, passionate, and we work hard and intense. So I know.